What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here, outside of Goodwill, all the way across the state. Haven't been to this one maybe ever. I'm here because I dropped my phone and broke it, and I had to come all the way to Bridgeport, Connecticut to get it fixed. It's about an hour away, and yeah, so I'm going to be thrifting without a phone. I can't look anything up. This should be interesting. Let's do it. All right, we'll snag a cart. I have a little bag here. Let's go. Alright, I don't think I've ever been to this particular Goodwill. It's set up like the one in New Milford. I see a bunch of stuff over there, a lot of toys. Here's the books. It's gonna be hard because I can't scan anything, so media might be a little tricky. Let's see how good my knowledge base is. It's around here. Ooh, CDs. I'm not good with CDs. I'm much better with DVDs. And here we go. Ooh, Lizzie McGuire movie. Oh, Ponyo. Oh, it's not brand new though. It's $3. What color is half off? Is it yellow? No, you could see way down there. It's red and blue. But you guys can see the little red right there. It's red and blue. It's 50% off right now. So Lizzie McGuire is only $1, which actually I think is a decent price. I have a lot of VHS tapes right now though, so I don't need that. What do we have here? Curse of the Jade Scorpion, no. There's certain things like House of Cards trilogy. For $1.50, that might be okay. Oh, here we go. We have Angel, the TV series. Oh, it's $8. Dang. They have season 1, 2, and 3 all sealed, but $8 each. I thought it was going to be $2 or $3. I think we'll leave those behind. Oh yeah, there's a few sealed things. These are all $1.50 each. Luckily, Ashley's with me, so maybe I could try to look things up using the Amazon app itself. But, not seeing anything else. Midsummer Murders. Here we go, another sealed thing. There's a bunch of sealed things here that look good. If all of these Midsummer Murders were sealed, they're worth a lot of money. Used, I don't think they're worth that much, but they're all half off, so that's kind of nice. Also, these Disney sing-alongs, these sell pretty well, but again, I'm not looking to buy any VHS right now. I have a lot of them, so I'll probably leave that behind. Rescue Rangers, yeah. All right, let's see what we can find. Oh, is this sealed? Nope. All right. All right, so after going through all the DVDs, what I decided to grab are these right here. These A Beautiful Place to Die's are only $1.50. They have to be good at $1.50. Hallmark is usually pretty good. Sometimes I'm restricted in Hallmark, so this will be interesting when we get home to see if I'm restricted or not. And you know, I went with the 3 Angels at $8 each. I feel like they gotta sell for $20+ each. I could be wrong. I could be totally wrong, but they are sealed, so we're gonna grab them. Everything else, I just don't quite know. The prices are a little all over. Like this Columbo Complete Series is $10. It's the complete series. Some of these things can go for $50, $60, $70, but I've seen a lot of them go for $30, $40. $10, I'm on the cusp. I might come back for it, but we'll leave that for now. Ashley wants to get this mirror right here, so we're gonna end up grabbing it. Hopefully nobody takes it, because I almost want to leave it here. What do I do? It's probably really heavy. So the mirror is half off of $35, so was that like $17.50? The issue though, I just realized the whole back is being held up with painter's tape. When I went to pick it up, the mirror was moving back there. The whole back is like ruined. I don't know if that's that big of a deal. I'll see what Ashley thinks about it. It looks nice. It would look nice in the house, but I don't know anymore. Let's see if I can find anything in the toy section that looks good. I just bumped into the wall. What do we got down here? Lots of plushies. Not really seeing any board games or anything. Oh, look at this. Little critter. I know Little Critter. Besides that, is that really the entire toy section? Uh-oh. I think it is. Yeah. Okay, I don't love that toy section. Alright, so they have a whole nother media wall right here, and there's some cool things in here that I would normally be scanning in, like all of these Teletubbies VHS tapes. These can sell pretty well at $1.99 each. I'm leaving them behind, but they could be good. We also have Homeland seasons 1 through 4 for $1.99 each. I don't know how many seasons of Homeland there are, so I don't know if that's a complete series. I've sold Pio or Pio before. Oh, $1.99 is actually a good deal. I might grab this. I've sold this on eBay. I know people say don't sell Beachbody on eBay. They do takedown claims. I've never had an issue. That doesn't mean that you won't have an issue, but I just personally have never had an issue. So I might get this. I have to make sure all the discs are in good condition. Oh, I also grabbed this. It's one VHS tape. I love Curious George, and I might just keep this because I've never seen this. $1.99. But besides that, oh yeah, this Pio, or Pio, I don't even know how to say it. And then what else do we have down here? Here we go. This is interesting. Another Hallmark, A Wish for Christmas. Ooh, this is only $1 because it's half off. Okay, we'll grab that. Hopefully I'm doing good. I thought I saw some more. Here we go. Here's some more Hallmark Christmas things. This one's used. I don't know if I want that. This one's new though. The seal's a little messed up, but Christmas Town for $1.50. I don't like, yeah, no, that seal is completely open at the top, so we'll leave that one. All right, I found the board game section, but it is slim pickings in here. It is mostly just puzzles, and there are some board games. One issue with Amazon right now, they're trying to get rid of small sellers, definitely. Any Monopoly that I see that looks kind of cool, there's a Monopoly Gamer down there, a Mario Kart 1, Monopoly Junior. You need to get an invoice to show that you purchased 200 of these to be able to get approved to sell just Monopoly. I got the same thing with Marvel Toys also, Starbucks, a bunch of random things. So there's a lot of brands I have to be careful with nowadays. And most board games, I gotta be, like I said, careful. What do we have here? Hydro Strike. That's kind of cool for $3, but I don't know. I think we're going to leave the board games alone today. Alright guys, take a look at these kayaks right here. I've been looking for a kayak personally, but these ones don't have any coverage. They're short, but these are still nice. I could definitely use one. They are $55 each. They come with the paddles, which is great. I see these selling on Facebook Marketplace for about $100 all the time during the summer, maybe even a little bit more, and they sell fast because they are always out of stock. It's so hard to find kayaks, and I really think at $55, if I bought these, I could probably turn around and flip them for $100 plus in about 3 months when summer comes around. Oof, and I could even keep them and use them. The only issue is space. Will they even fit in the car? I don't know. I gotta think about these, but this is something I would definitely grab if I had a bigger truck. I gotta really think if they'll fit. Alright, I'm over here in the women's section just because I was taking a lap and I wanted to see if there's anything cool. And there was. Look at this. For $2.99, Waggle. It's a golfing brand. It's a really cool golfing hat. A little turtle with a golf club that he snapped in half. And the kicker, well, let's not drop it. There we go. The kicker is it's brand new. Has the tag still. It still has the inside cardboard. There it is, popped open. It is completely brand new for $2.99. It kind of matches the hat I'm wearing right now. Take a look at that. And then you can see this. It matches. It matches really nice. So I think I'm gonna grab this. And I'm not grabbing it for myself. I'm gonna grab it to sell because you can see that price of $35 right there. I know that golf hats can go for decent money because the one I'm wearing goes for decent money. So hopefully this sells for about $20 or so on eBay. Why not? So I decided I'm gonna get both the kayaks at $55. I think it's a good buy. What do you guys think? Let me know. I'm gonna buy them both though. Looking at all the artwork here, I found a very rare 6 out of 75 Santa Frog. Ho ho ho! And below Santa Frog, ballerina dog. Really cool. Oh, and a dying kid. Next on the agenda, Senor Salsa. This place is absolutely delicious, and I'm never down here, so yeah, I'm getting it.
New phone, who dis?
Oh, what up? Got my phone. He replaced the screen and put in a brand new battery. Didn't even need, well, I needed a new battery. This phone was dying like crazy. That's amazing. I'll take it. Sweet. And that does it. We got the kayaks, a hat, some DVDs, nothing spectacular, but pretty good thrifting trip all around, and my phone got fixed for many more thrifting trips in the future. If you guys enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School, signing out. See ya.